It's time to learn how to play Chewbacca, one of our favorite gym games. You'll develop several important skills while playing Chewbacca, including teamwork, rule understanding, verbal communication, owning your out, and following the good sport code. In Chewbacca, there are 4 teams of 2, and each team must work together to keep the ball from crossing their line. To begin play, a player tosses the ball into the air and lets it bounce 3 times, saying chew, bok, caw, before the ball can be played. If you return a serve before it bounces 3 times, you are out. If a serve goes out of bounds before 3 bounces, the server is out. Each team protects its line. If the ball passes over its line, the team is out.
Oh, nice guy. That's all right. Come on.
Each player must have at least 1 foot on the line at all times. Players are allowed to push the ball with an open hand, fingers facing down. If the ball crosses the line directly over a corner, players play rock, paper, scissors to determine who is out. A team that hits the ball above the waist of an opposing player is out. Good luck, Hawks, and have fun!